Just edit that out.
Hi, my name is Joey Amor, and this is my journey. My life isn't perfect, but I try to live life to the fullest. While dealing with a breakup, I found my passion for traveling. When I was a kid, I would spin the globe and pretend wherever my finger landed, I would travel to. Now I don't have to pretend, I just go for it. Follow me and let's get lost. Make new friends, try new things, get out of our comfort zone, see new surroundings, and the most important thing, let's have fun. We got here at 4 in the morning, it was really dark, and we're about to start a hike. 8-mile hike, then 2 miles to the waterfall. So let's do this. See you guys down there.
Hey, see you, brother.
Alright, we're heading on the 8-mile hike. Wild Pokemon. Hey puppy. Hey little buddy. Hey George, wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? How you doing, little guy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Made a friend already. This is so beautiful. 10 miles later, and we finally made it to the first waterfall, Navajo Falls. Beautiful turquoise pools. Altogether, there's 5 waterfalls. The next waterfall we came across was Havasupai Falls. It's about 100 feet tall and breathtaking. I couldn't wait to go for a swim. But the most important one, to me at least, was Moonlight Falls. I became infatuated with it. It was my dream waterfall. I didn't think it would be possible to make it, but somehow I found a way. Luck was on my side. I was able to make a reservation the day before, and I just went for it. Alright, we didn't come all this way to turn around now. Moonlight Falls, here we come. So beautiful. And we gotta go down here. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Wish us luck.
We're almost out of the cave. We're almost to Moonlight Falls. Here we go. We just came from up there. Fucking made it. Moonlight Falls.
I wore my heart up on my sleeve, exposed it all, and I was fighting that again, waiting for your call. But I should know by now, you're all the same, you're all the same, so I won't wait around, won't take the pain, won't take the pain. I'm not gonna cry tonight, dancing through the shadows of the streetlights. I'm not gonna cry tonight, singing to the stars till the sun's in my eyes. I'm not gonna cry, 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 I'm not gonna cry tonight. I'm not gonna cry.
All right, I drove 10 hours to get here from California to Havasupai. No sleep, 10 miles walking, and then extra miles, you know, we did hiking, rock climbing. This is the best adventure. This is my dream waterfall, and it's so beautiful. You gotta come see it for yourself. I'm so grateful for everybody that posted photos on Instagram and YouTube videos. That just inspired me to come here, and I'm finally here. So if I can make it, you can too. It's dangerous to climb, no joke, but be very careful and you can do it. We only stayed one night and we were way too tired to go to Beaver Falls. At the time, we didn't know about 50-foot falls. Oh well, maybe next time. We spent the rest of our time at Moonlight Falls and had dinner at the campground with our new friends from Canada, Jesse, Lavender, Kata, and Emily. Good times. I love waterfalls and I can't wait to come back again. Let me know down below, what is your dream waterfall to visit, and maybe the next one on my list. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.